obtaining credit. So some of these hard money lenders, investors loan, they still require for the investor to have a credit score, a certain credit score. Investors, business owners, many of them, their credit might be not really that great. When you're doing a flip, you're running up your credit cards. And then when you're done, you sold it, you got paid, you paid them off. Till the next one. Vicious cycle until you start saving, doing quite a bit, that you have the money saved up. But a lot of business owners, and I don't even know the percentage, but I'm going to tell you, there's people, business owners, non-business owners, investors, some people don't qualify because of their credit scores. So you can become the guarantor on the loan.